Right. We have to know about the properties of long division. Check this long division. First term of quotient is x squared. First term of quotient is x squared. Leading term of divisor s cube. Leading term of dividend s to the power 5. How to begin this one? When we are simplifying two polynomials by long division, we have to choose the leading term of dividend and divisor. We have to convert s cube into s to the power 5. How to convert s cube into s to the power 5? S cube should be multiplied by x squared. Final answer is x to the power 5. Check the indices. When we are multiplying s cube by x squared, answer is s to the power 5. 3 power of s cube and x squared right. 2, 3 plus 2 become 5 right. Check the powers of these terms. S cube power is 3, x squared power is 2, answer is s to the power 5, power is 5. We know 3 plus 2 equal 5. Actually 3 be the degree of divisor, 2 be the degree of quotient, 5 be the degree of dividend. So, we can form the equation right. Degree of divisor plus degree of quotient is equal to degree of dividend right. Always degree of divisor plus degree of quotient should be equal to degree of dividend. Check the remainder. Degree of this remainder is 2. Degree of divisor is 3. Always degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor right. Degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor right. Other thing is check the degree of divisor and degree of dividend. Always degree of dividend should be greater than or equal to degree of divisor. Sometimes degrees may be equal right. Check this example. S cube plus 10 divided by s cube plus 2. Degree of divisor is 3, degree of dividend is 3 right. Degrees are identical, but we can simplify this long division right. First term is 1 into s cube plus 2, remainder is 8. We can simplify these two polynomial by using long division right. If dividend is s squared plus 10, divisor is s cube plus 2 right. We can't simplify these two polynomials by long division right. Therefore, degree of dividend degree of dividend should be greater than or equal to degree of divisor, right. Otherwise, we can't simplify these two polynomials by long division.